Here is the Yoga Slacker. So welcome in Gaspésie. And can you present yourself?
I'm Daniel. I'm from Oregon.
I'm Chelsea from Bend, Oregon.
Jason from Oregon.
Eric from Golden, Colorado.
And we are Team Yoga Slackers. So we're super excited to be here, kind of on the far edge of the North American continent, far east edge. So it's about as far as we can get in North America from where we're from. And we're just excited to see what this place is about. We're going to race hard and fast and know that we're going to get some sleep. We usually do expedition races only, so this is an interesting experience for us to be able to sleep every night and have to race against really high-powered short distance athletes. So we'll see how it goes.
Okay, good. So have a good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very
Awesome.
much.
Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye.